Hi, I am Amit Lunkad. In this video, we discuss about the acidity of phenols and also we discuss about the effect of substituents on acidity of phenols. Let's begin with the why phenols are acidic in nature. Phenols are much more acidic than alcohols, but less than carboxylic acids or even carbonic acids. So why phenols are acidic? Phenols are acidic due to the formation of a stable phenoxide ions in aqueous solutions. For example, phenol itself gives phenoxide ion on dissociation. Here is the dissociation of phenol. It gives a phenoxide ions and this phenoxide ion is quite more stable. It is stable because of the resonance effect. There is a delocalization of electron. So here it is clearly seen that there is a involvement of this electron, or you may say that the negative charge, okay, which is spread throughout the benzene ring and thereby effectively get dispersed, and this charge delocalization which is a stabilizing factor in the phenoxide ion, and due to this these phenols which are acidic in nature. If you compare the alcohol and phenol, so phenols are more acidic because there is no resonance possible in alkoxide ions derived from alcohols, and the negative charge which is concentrated or you may say localized on a single oxygen atom in alcohols, and therefore alcohols are much weaker acids than phenols. Now here we discuss the effect of substituents on acidity of phenol. So there are the different substituents like effect of electron withdrawing substituent as well as effect of electron releasing substituent. Here we discuss firstly about the effect of electron withdrawing substituents. An electron withdrawing substituent like nitro group, chloride, aldehyde and carboxylic acid, if they are present on phenol, then it will give acid strengthening effect because it allows the ring to withdraw more electrons from the phenoxyoxygen, and this stabilizes the phenoxide ion still further, and due to this results in a stronger acid. For example, the paranitrophenol which is more acidic than phenol. So nitro group which is a electron withdrawing, and due to that electron withdrawing nature it will be increase the acidity or acid strength of phenol. So here is the formation of this paranitrophenol ion, and this is a resonance form of paranitrophenol ion. So here also the presence of this nitro group which is a electron withdrawing, and due to its electron withdrawing nature it enables the ring to withdraw more electrons from these phenoxy ions, and therefore it increases the acidity. Now next one is the effect of electron releasing substituent. An electron releasing example like methyl group, methoxy group, amino group on the aromatic ring which produce a acid weakening effect. Why? Because it strengthens the negative charge on phenoxyoxygen, and due to which inhibits the charge delocalization due to resonance, and this destabilizes the phenoxide ion and results in a weaker acid. So example is paracresol which is less acidic than phenol. Now here we can discuss the relative acid strengths of some phenols which are like, here is the phenol and here is a decreasing order of acidity like paracresol which is less acidic than phenol, and paramethoxyphenol which is further having less acidity as compared to paracresol. So there is a decreasing order of acidity whereas here is the increasing order of acidity, like parachlorophenol, which is acidic, more acidic than phenol, but from parachlorophenol, paranitrophenol, which is more acidic. So overall you may say that paranitrophenol, which is more acidic than phenol, and paraphenoxymethoxyphenol, which is less acidic than phenol. So here we discuss about the acidity of phenol as well as the effect of substituent on acidity of phenol. Hope all of you getting this. Thank you and happy learning.